Everyone. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone, and Vande Mataram. Uh, I'm Anshul Goel, and I'm here on behalf of Mr. Raju Garg, our director of the company. And I'll be sharing some insights of our company and what we do basically. Right. So, Redon India is India's first D2C brand in bath and kitchen segment. So, with D2C brand, we mean is direct to consumer brand. Today, you must have heard of a lot of companies who are dealing in this segment, but none of them are directly dealing with the consumer. That's why they have a big gap between their understanding and they don't provide the kind of service that is expected in this market. Right. So Redon started this operation in 2014, where we started with the vanity manufacturing. Right. And after getting the success in vanities, we started manufacturing faucets as well. We have 18 retail outlets that are completely operated by the company itself, and we have more than 250 plus dealer network across the India. Right. So let me just brief you about our management team. This video will give you an insight of the company, our manufacturing facilities, the quality process that we follow at Redon India, and a lot of products you can see in this video.
Headquartered in Cyberport Industrial Area, spread over 2 square feet, India's finest, Bangladesh, fitting and textured brand is always committed to provide customers with the best of our products. The Experience Center is full of products that run with 400 plus spectacular bathroom vanity designs to tapware, all the way down to sanitary ware. Our relentless passion and our idea of improving the Indian standards of living innovatively inspires us to go beyond, supply quality products, and satisfying our customers is the essence of our business. That's why we are constantly updating ourselves with the latest technology, automation, and robotic trend. We are expanding globally to serve our customers better. If you are looking for quality, innovation, and uniformity, you should look for Radar.
This is a brief about our company, right? So next, I would like to tell you about our management team. Our management team, the company was founded by the five brothers, Mr. Ram Nivas Garg, Mr. Praveen Garg, Mr. Raju Garg, Mr. Sunil Garg, and Mr. Tarsen Mittal. Right? So these are the pillars of the company, and they are not just the pillars of the company; they are an inspiration to all people like us at Redon, because the company was started. If you won't even believe, with a 10 by 10 square feet showroom in Jagatpuri area. And within 25 years of span, you can say that the company has grown to more than 10 lakh square feet of retail space right now. That is pure dedication of these brothers who have stood by Redon and have achieved that much success. The only reason of the success is because the company has always maintained that to provide the quality products to the company, and not just that, we also promote to provide you the products that are made in India. So our vanities production started. If you talk about the vanity segment particularly, almost 90% of the vanities were being exported from other countries like Bangladesh, China, Vietnam, Italy, and many other countries. Redon is the only brand in India which started manufacturing in four categories, that is PVC, wooden, stainless steel, and HDHMR. So currently, what we are doing is we are also exporting our vanities to three countries, that is US, Canada, and Jamaica. So we have beaten China in terms of pricing and quality, that we are able to provide them good quality vanities at a reasonable cost and beating the China in the same segment. So this is what we have done till now.
दाने
And
को लगातार बचती रहनी चाहिए. Beating China is music to my ears. Happy to listen to you all.
secondly, coming back to Made in India concept, why we truly believe is because you can also see the carry bags that you are that on your table. We truly believe in empowering the Indian businesses. The all the bags are made in India as well, and the diaries which you see are made in India. The paper is made in India.
क्या बात है,
We
wonderful.
try
ये
to.
एक आप तक साथ ले जा रहे हैं, and this is from him. Okay, carry on.
Yes, sir. So let me just brief you about our product segment, what particular products that we deal in. First is the bathroom vanities that you can see over here. Some people call it storage boxes, some people call it bathroom vanities, some people call it with some other names, but the actual name is the bathroom vanities. We have manufactured more than 3,000 plus designs in this segment, and we are currently making vanities for 60 plus national and international brands. After that, we have our next segment, which is sanitary ware. We provide the complete bathroom solutions. So this is again an integral part of that segment, which is sanitary ware. That is wash basins that you see and the toilet seats that you see. That is comprised of sanitary ware. Then recently, last 2 years back, we started the manufacturing of modular kitchen as well and wardrobes. So we are making all the products in-house. The factory is in Cyberabad. You can see the quality process. No other brand in India is currently providing a visit to their factory to see the quality process. Only Redon provides you to visit their factory and see the quality process for yourself. Then faucets, the factory was started in 2016. We are currently making faucets in four colors, that is gold, rose gold, PVD, and chrome color. Again, all the production is being done in India only. Most of the brands who say made in India products are actually importing 70% of their products from China. Only Redon is the brand that is providing 100% products which are made in India. Then kitchen sinks and bath accessories and any other products, whether it's tiles, any products that you see in a bathroom, we are providing manufacturing in India, either directly or either they are being manufactured by our OEM. So complete bathroom solutions we are currently providing. We are providing you free design consultancy for kitchen, wardrobe, TV panels, and we are manufacturing the same and installing the same at your home. So let me just give you the next video is about a client. We recently did a project in Yojana Vihar, East Delhi. So they have they shared a view with us. Let me just give you a view. Hi, I am Neha. We decided to become our existing house. I am a teacher and my husband is working outside because he is in hospital. We initially faced many difficulties, but they don't make our life. Alright, so this was a glimpse of the video. You can see it on YouTube as well. We can share the designs with you as well. If anyone of you needs some design consultancy, our team is always there for you. And I've just one ask from you. If you could please just scan this QR code and give a good review or whatever you feel, whatever you have heard about Redon. Just please scan the code from your scanner. Open your Google scanner. You can just scan this code and please give us a code, a review please on Google.
जल्दी से स्कैन कीजिएगा, and if you like the presentation, please give your review here. You can like the product later on, but अभी तो ये दे देंगे. अच्छा, एक चल के आ रहा है एक रेफरेंस है. अरे वाह, very good. एक दो, very good, very good.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Because we are planning to run the
Time is over.
Okay.
राजू गर्ग जी एक बार वो वाली स्लाइड पे जाएंगे. वन ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स, ही इज आवर मेंबर. डायरेक्टली में अगर आप देखेंगे तो सेकंड लास्ट पेज पे ही इज देयर.